In this video, I am going to be doing a review of the Sensational 13x6 What Lace Wig. Brielle is the name of her, and she is in the color 1B. She comes in other colors. I would love to see her in the jet black, but 1B is okay. She comes in blondes and browns, okay? So what you're going to see me do right now is transform from wearing my natural hair, which is my locks, and go into my wigs, okay? Stay tuned. Now that that is all said and done and my braids are put away, I glued down my wig cap with the Gossipy spray, just like all the other girls. Okay, secure. And what I did in this case is because I don't typically use Sensational. I have a few units from them, but I don't have as many as I have Outre, because I just imagine that Outre was a little bit more big head friendly. So I put her on before I really put her on. And the reason why is because I wanted to know if it was big head friendly. I wanted to know if I had space or if I didn't. If I don't have space, I want to brace myself. This is the first time that I'm ever using this unit before. So I just want to get to know her before I really get to know her. Being that it is a 13x6 unit, I have a lot more parting space than I'm accustomed to, because so many lace fronts that are typically synthetic don't necessarily have so much parting space. So I was really excited. I was able to do a middle part, and I was also able to do a side part. This is a unit that I will be wearing again, so you may see some footage of me with her, because I was just so excited to see the options that was available. Okay, and the lace itself is amazing. Like, I can see why Sensational costs just a little bit more, just a few coins more, because a lot more detail and effort was put into this. I believe it's very realistic, very natural looking, for sure. So once I put her on, I was really excited, because I was just like, okay, so she fits. So now that she fits, I know we're gonna have some fun. So now I'm just going to cut off that extra part of the wig cap that I do not need at all. I'm gonna add my little foundation. Then I put her on for real, for real. Don't forget to subscribe. But anyway, could that be my like real scalp? Tell me the truth. I feel like it could, but anyway. I said this in an old video ago, but when you have locks, you don't have like wisps of hair in your face. So that's one thing that is so annoying. But anyway, what do you think? Tell me what you think. Be honest. That could be my scalp. I don't care what you say. But I'm still going to put my little BB cream from Maybelline. But it could be my scalp. Okay? Being that there is so much parting space, as I said before, this is a 13 by 6. It is not going to just give me the automatic, you know, part down the middle or the specific part down the side. So I do have to bring in the hot comb to just flatten her out. I actually burned myself this time around. I've done it like maybe like 3 times total in this year alone, which is so just devastating. But y'all can't see it, so that's all that matters. But anyway, this is a lightly wavy unit, super long, but it's not like a real curl. It's just like a lightly, like body addy wave. You know what I'm saying? So I can comb through it no problem with the Y2 comb. I'm not using the little rat tail combs. That's ridiculous. Okay. So I'm making my first part I decided to do was the middle part. And I did add my little BB cream from Maybelline. Okay. There she goes, the BB cream from Maybelline. in my complexion, 355. Anyway, so I put it in the part. I may have overdone it, honestly, but I don't care. So I just put it on there to make it look like it's my complexion. Okay. Brush it out with my little foundation brush and try to get it off the sides. It's like a weird conundrum I find myself in often. So remember when I said that I had to get the hot comb? Yeah. So here she comes. She's in pink, okay? I got the little hot comb to flatten out that side on the left. Because it was just like poking out a little bit. The right was alright, but it was the left that was not laying down. with the little middle part, I thought was super cute. I kind of was afraid to like flatten the curls out a little bit too much with the little hot comb, so I didn't do too much. I just wanted that side to lay down a little bit more. Now, being that this is, as I said before, a 13 by 6, I said, you know what? I'm not going to pass up the opportunity to put a part in a different location. I think I'm cute with a side part, you know what I'm saying? Don't be mean to me. That's just how I really feel. I like a side part. I'm giving side face, okay? So I decided to make one. It's not a dramatic side part, but it's over there. You know what I mean? So I used a flat comb to flatten it out. It was a lot easier actually to get that side part flat more than it was when I did the middle part. Anyway, it be like that sometimes, I guess. So there's that middle part, and I do use the BB cream from Maybelline and that portion as well, even though I feel like it looks fine, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, yeah. Honestly, I like a side part a little bit more than the middle part. So I feel like this is super almost natural looking and very flattering. I love it when I come out with the brush, and I like how it looks when I comb it out with the comb. Super cute, very flattering. This is a traditional color, so it is professional. It is very long, which is nice. It's very full, so it does cover my locks, which is always a plus. So it's big head friendly. And out of a 10, and being that it's synthetic, it has no smell. So from a 0 to 10, I give it a 10. I give it a 10. I love the versatility with the parting space. I love the color. I think it's super flattering. I want to say thank you for making it to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you made it this far, type in yellow in the comments, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.